Girls vlog, and here today we are at Jebel Hafeed Mercure Grand. So we are in the staycation and we are here to enjoy our weekend, right?
Yes.
So you're here to all enjoy?
We are going to swim, right?
We are going to swim, we are going to do what not, right? So that's our car and we now head towards the hotel. It's the Mercure Grand Jebel Hafeed. It's above the hills, surrounded by mountains. So let's see how the experience goes during this weekend. Stay tuned. So we have come out now to have little lunch, and by the way, I played that cartoon ring, but didn't get anything. Anyhow, so here also it's the pool area. If you can see, the most awaited area, which we just waiting to plunge in because it's summers, and the best part is, see, it has got also a slide. So my daughter is very happy and excited. So let's see, we'll gobble up something first and then we will plunge onto the pool. बेटा বাচ্চাদের So this is really the side towards the hill. Wow, that must be some games over here for the slides, the Jebel Hafeed slides, where you can see this one. It is not workable right now, maybe of the heat, summers, they do not operate. But it's a lovely view. I'm just waiting for the night time to approach. It would be awesome. The view would be awesome, man. So let's see what's there in the restaurant and then we will plunge into the pool. So stay tuned with me for the complete weekend saga. So we are all pool ready now. And see, all are ready going towards the pool. So check it out, the evening is gonna be interesting, man. She's all ready to plunge in this one. দেখি একটু ভেতরে যাও, একটু ভেতরে যাও। একটু ভেতর দিকে যাও। ওই দিকটা কিন্তু ডিপ, ওই দিকটা ডিপ, ওই দিক, এই দিকটা ডিপ অনেক। So this is a lovely Titanic kind of place where we are here. about to set, and you are in front of this beautiful view. What else you need? Hello, so we are done with the first day's pool session and lot of adventures. We were there in the pool for how many hours?
3 hours maybe.
Three, it's more than that, and we had so many adventures. Must say, Mercure Jabal Hafid had so many spots here. You can try pool, you can play squash, there's cycling, shopping center small, and then lot of pool activities, you know. So we had awesome time. We actually had an awesome time, and trust me, three of us enjoyed hilariously. I mean, it was too good. So we are done. We came back to our room. We took bath, and now we are going down for in order to have dinner. But let's see if we do not like the Arabic platter now, because in the afternoon we had Arabic platter. We will come back to the room for room service, because the restaurant beside the pool is only till 9 and it's almost 8:30 now. So it's a super weekend going on, and we are going down now. Wow, that's the city. This side is the city. Wow, we are so much above the hills. Wow, the city looks just awesome, man. Too good, too good. If really you want relaxation, you are in the UAE, and in the summers you're thinking where to go because it's all very hot. In Dubai it's 50 degree, but you feel like it's 65. Trust me, guys. Even in Khalij times we hear this, like if it's 40 we feel it's 50. So the temperature is shooting higher up, but in July I still find a land to be cooler as compared to the other Emirates. Just see, the pool is open till 9 p.m. So the fun is still going on. Loving it. Music going on. I don't want to get a copyright claim. चलो 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 we have got a very good restaurant here, which is an Italian restaurant, but we got Indian food also. We are getting a mixture of food. We are getting some portion of Italian and some portion of Indian. Let's see. These looks very yummy actually. When the food will come and we will eat it, then only we'll come to know how is it. So the ambience looks awesome and it is quite big also. So hopefully this one would be a good one. So we are done today after the dinner. We took a slight stroll all over the place, watched the city, how it looks, and then we had a dinner which was some part Italian and some part our Desi Indian. So now time to go to the hotel room and take rest. See you tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to check out because it's a one-day staycation. So before that there's breakfast and lots more. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the second day at Mercure Jebel Hafid. We are all ready for breakfast. So stay with us for more activities of the day. যা বাবার সঙ্গে যা And Aisha, are you ready for breakfast?
When we are done breakfast, we are going to go to 1701.
What have you ordered for? Omelette?
Lemon rice.
No, 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 no.
So our breakfast began. It's from 7:30 to 10:30, so we have ample time. I have taken omelette, favorite. So let's gorge on. Cheesy. So this is a beautiful room with a lovely view, and this is the balcony. So let me show you the view. Here we come out, and can you see the view? Wow, nighttime it is marvelous. I will put the picture of the nighttime. I've taken that also. Here what you can see is the golf course. Okay, now here it's a part of the Alain Farms. There's the pool of this resort, and there goes the hills and the roads which are connected to the other Emirates from where we came. Did you see it? So what a lovely view. Getting up early morning to this view is just wow. Yeah.
मैं तो ऐसे ही पुश करूँगी, मुझे नहीं आता. बाय, जा रही हूँ.
So today is the second day and we are about to check out, and it's almost 12 o'clock. So before going for the checkout, we thought of taking some photographs and of course making this vlog. So yes, we are in the poolside again to take some wonderful pictures. But let me tell you guys, if you are in the UAE and you're looking for a wonderful getaway in the mountains, trust me, even in the heat, Jabal Hafid will not make you feel it's real summers because you will be in the hotel. The swimming pool is a superb area for the hotel. They have superb water activities. Love you. So trust me, you will never go for a toil here. This is a wonderful property, a lovely area for the kids to play and whatnot. So make a plan to Jabal Hafid Mountains in Al Ain, Mercure. This is a property where you will come and then when you'll go, you'll have a beautiful smile in your face. And trust me guys, it's all worth it. My kiddo is already there, so let me catch her. So if you like my vlogs, do tune into my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do not forget to share. Bye bye. Till then, take care. Hello. So this is the outer look. We're outside the hotel now. So this is the outer look. And our car is parked right there. So how did you like it? Guys, how did you like it? Anisha, how did you like it? Okay, Anisha is tired. So Preetham, how did you like it?
Amazing.
As always.
Wonderful experience.
Wonderful experience, amazing. So as we said, it was amazing experience. Do not forget to check into the same hotel, which is Mercure Grand, Jabal Hafid, Al Ain. Bye bye.